The most dangerous natural disaster occurring in the history of India states Uttarakhand flash flood year 2013 death roll 5,000 plus. The Indian Ocean tsunami year 2004 death roll 2 lakh plus. Gujarat earthquake year 2001 death roll 20,000 plus. Odisha super cyclone year 1919 death roll 10,000 plus. The Great Famine year 1876 to 1878 death roll 3 crores. Koringa cyclone 1839 death roll 3.2 lakh peoples. Calcutta cyclone year 1737 death roll 3 lakh peoples. The Bengal famine year 1770 death roll 1 crores. Kashmir floods 2014 death roll 500 plus.